If you want to help set your child up for success in math, they need to have a strong number sense. But what is number sense? Let's take a look.
The ability to intuitively understand numbers and how they relate to each other make up our number sense. Our number sense allows us to think about numbers flexibly and fluently. It gives us the tools we need to creatively manipulate numbers in different ways to solve problems.
Number sense lives on a spectrum.
Depending on your child's experiences with math, their number sense can range anywhere from weak to strong. If there's a heavy emphasis on just procedural knowledge, children tend to have a weak number sense.
The good news is that you can improve your child's number sense by using different activities and questioning strategies, but I'll share some more resources with you at the end of this video. For right now, let's take a look at weak number sense versus strong number sense.
A child with weak number sense only understands numbers and operations at a procedural level, so they only know the steps. They struggle with making connections between numbers and see numbers in a limited context. They also have limited math experiences and only see it on worksheets or in the classroom. They lack confidence in their math ability, so when they make a mistake, it really affects them. A child with strong number sense understands numbers and the operations at a conceptual level. They understand how math works. They're easily able to make connections between different numbers and have diverse math experiences. They see math all around them. They have great confidence in math, and they are not afraid of making mistakes, and they know that they can learn from them.
Here are some free resources that you can use to help build your child's number sense. I share a ton of activities on my Instagram account at MathTeacherMomBlog, and you can sign up for a free mini math kit by sharing your email with me. I'll leave the link in the description box. Stay tuned for the next video as I share more activities and questioning strategies that you can use to set your child up for success in math. If you found this video to be helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know when the next video is up. And remember, math is for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.